Hi, I'm Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to input random samples in Excel. I've got a spreadsheet set up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a list of numbers, random numbers, between different ranges. Let me just start entering some things and you'll see what it is I'm trying to explain. We're going to have the sample number, so it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, and we can little trick here, you can pick the last two numbers and put your cursor on the bottom right and drag down, and it increments at the same increments that you were entering them in. So what we're going to do, that's just to count the numbers, and what we're going to do is we're going to use a couple of different formulas. The simplest one is the RAND formula. So like any formula, you type equals and then you type RAND, and then it doesn't have anything, what's called an argument. It doesn't have anything in the parentheses. That function does nothing more than enter in a random number between 0 and 1. So if we hit return, there's a number. It's a random number between 0 and 1. Now the important thing to know about this function or any of these the other one I'm about to show you, is that the random number changes anytime you do any calculation or even enter in a number or do anything to change the spreadsheet. And you can do this by, if you hold the command key down, and it may be the control key on a Windows system, but this on a Macintosh is the command key, and type the equals sign. That's just telling the spreadsheet to calculate everything. And so I type in equals, and each time I do that, click, 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 it gives me a different random number. If I take this formula and drag it down, it just creates 10 different random numbers. And again, if I hold the command or control key down and type equals, all of the numbers update each time. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to generate random numbers in Excel. Thank you for watching.